not going to do any 250s over there. Mary Alice, my friend, she's such a great person. She's so dynamic and she's so go, go, go. And I'm like, you know, I told RJ about it. And he said, I got somebody that does that professionally. You know,
Ready?
Yep.
Go. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's a heck of a bell, isn't it?
You want?
You got it rolling?
Yep.
This is for 2026.